Here we come to the elevators at the North Carolina Museum of History in downtown Raleigh, North Carolina. These are Dover with your traditional call station, but impulse on the outside. So look over there, that's the freight elevator over there, but we can't use it. So we can only ride these. Anyways, these are Dover. See which one will it be. Got the right elevator car. Are you coming out? It's got a bumper and electric eye. See, these are Dover. This thing is busy. You going up, sir?
Yeah.
This thing is really busy right now, so try to do my best to get a good video. I believe these are Relay Logic Dover elevators. Listen to that mechanical chime. Alright, let's go in the lobby and we'll switch cars. Installed in 1992. Yeah, we're gonna be stopping on every floor. Actually, no, we're not. Looks like we made a non-stop ride. You going up?
Yeah. Are you going up?
Alright, let's hope we can get like a non-stop ride without getting interrupted. But I don't know though. I like the engravings on there.
Come on in.
On the top floors.
Oh, hold on, guys. We're going down one more.
George,
George, we're going down one more.
when the Department of Agriculture was in that building, I worked there,
Oh, sure.
the Agriculture Department.
Yep, we were neighbors there for a bit.
Yeah,
I worked in the old building when
Yeah.
it was, still the mezzanine.
I was in the old building.
Yep. You'll want 3. Okay.
I'm actually not getting off.
Oh, okay.
I'm just doing a round trip on the elevator.
All right. You going in?
Yeah.
What's up?
What's up? Yep, I'm good.
Okay. Always something going on here.
What floor do you need?
3.
Perfect non-stop ride. You can go ahead. see if we can try to take for one more ride without getting interrupted. Because I want to get a close-up view of that indicator. These are your Dover impulse fixtures. Based on how the indicator blinks, these are obviously relay controlled. We might be catching up people. What floor?
The lobby.
Have a good day. All right, here we are at the 3rd floor. And we'll go back down to L and there. Phone's locked with a key. Watch the button go out. Button already goes out. And here we are at the lobby. Oh, I forgot to test out the bumper. It's got a bumper and also an electric eye as well. There it goes, Ann. That's it.